Solid advice for an affiliate marketing campaign. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true way to make your website turn a profit. But good affiliate marketing is not a no-hassle money spigot. You need to put in plenty of effort to make it pay off. Your efforts will be more productive, though, the more you learn about the process. To find a good affiliate marketing opportunity, you should look for great products. If the products or offers used do not meet satisfying quality standards, your marketing strategy will definitely not have a good effect on customers and reflect a bad image of your company. A good product will get you some attention from customers. When looking for payout from an affiliate marketing program, remember that many companies will hold onto your money for quite some time after a sale. In many cases, you have to meet a lower threshold before you are allowed to withdraw your commission. In other cases, the parent company may hold your money until after they ship the product, to ensure the order isn't canceled or returned. Don't expect instant payout on a sale. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. Find a quality affiliate program to work with. They should provide you with the tools that you need to be successful. They will offer things like banners, recommendation letter templates and text links and teach you which techniques work the best under different circumstances. These things will make it easier for you to get started. If you want to maximize your profits through affiliate marketing with minimal effort, ideas like these can help you out. Just remember that no particular strategy or tactic is guaranteed to work, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Keep learning to stay on top of the best affiliate marketing strategies. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.